Short Me Tina here from shortmetina.com, doing a video recap for ticker HMNY. Right now what you're looking at is an hourly chart for the past 4 to 5 weeks. I really want to zoom in on price action that occurred since this gap down. This is an extremely nasty chart. Dating back to, let's say, 418, we closed at 383. Gap down, huge sell-off on above average volume, and since then it's more or less been lights out for HMNY. I thought the stock actually had a fighting chance because it was consolidating around this support area of, let's say, $2 to $2.30. But when we broke support around here in late April, I knew it was downhill from there. Sideways action, another gap down, and today we saw nothing but selling on above average volume, right? I think the volume today was 4 times the average volume. So what happened today? We opened it around 199. That was the high. It wasn't going any higher than that today. Nothing but selling throughout the day. We closed at 145, which is very close to today's low of, I believe, what was it, 143? Or maybe our low today was 145. At any rate, what that means is that I don't think that the selling is over. Despite us being down over 31% today, the fact that we closed so low to the low of the day of 145, and it looks like there's a bear flag setting up on the hourly chart right here, tells me that we potentially might roll over again tomorrow. So the chart is extremely broken. Again, we broke that support back here around that $2.30 level. There is a play on the long side. For me, there's always a play on the long and short side, right? The overall trend is down right now and the stock is broken. So if you do end up taking the trade on the long side, it's not a trade to marry. So how would I play this on the long side? Well, I'd wait for that sell-off tomorrow in the early morning. I think it'll probably shed another 10 to 15%. So I definitely try to go long around that 120, 125 area. And I think you can potentially ride it up to about $2, giving you about 50 or 60% on your money. But right now, it's stay away from HMNY. It's looking like it's looking for a floor, and it has a hard time finding it. I thought back here 2 to 220 was the floor. I thought it was the floor, but we closed here at 145, which is very, very far from that $2.32 support now resistance area. Gap down again on above average volume. Nothing but selling all day long. So that's my take on HMNY. I kind of would stay away from the stock, let it stabilize some, but if you want to jump in and get that quick dead cat bounce, I'd wait for the initial sell-off tomorrow. I think it has about maybe 10 to 15% more to go. I try to take a chance at around 120 to that 130 area. So that's my take. Head on over to shortmetina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for listening.